If you are located in the United Kingdom, buying cryptocurrency can be hard. If you are banking with one of these banks shown on the screen now, we recommend using eToro to buy crypto. The eToro platform gives traders and investors access to more than 3,000 different financial assets, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, indices, currencies, and commodities, which can be invested in both with and without leverage, giving almost anyone access to short, mid, and long-term investment options. It is regulated by top-tier authorities such as the UK FCA or Australia's ASIC. eToro USA LCC does not offer CFDs, only real crypto assets available. Step 1. Register an account to eToro by clicking the link in the description for extra benefits. Step 2. As part of the KYC process, newly registered investors are required to provide a confirmation of residence, for example, a valid utility bill dated to the last 3 months, as well as a proof of identity, such as a valid passport or other form of officially issued photo ID. It might seem scary at first, but it is nothing to worry about. This is standard procedure, as brokers need to make sure that you have a basic financial knowledge and you are aware of the risks of trading. Also, don't worry if the broker asks questions about your financial background, for example, your available assets, salary range. This is also part of the risk assessment process to make sure you don't take on investments in trades you can't afford. Your ID document should contain your name, date of birth, a clear photograph, issue date, and if it has an expiry date, that should be visible as well. A passport is the preferred proof of identity, as it is the document which will be quickest for the eToro team to process. Alternatively, you can use a driving license or any other government-issued ID if the document is double-sided and there's relevant information on the backside. Make sure to upload that as well. Your proof of address document should contain your full name, address, and an issue date, which should be no older than 3 months. The name or logo of the issuer should also be clearly visible. Please make sure to scan your document against a different colored background so that all 4 corners are visible. The verification process can take a few days, and you will be notified once your account is verified. You can also follow your verification status on the eToro platform. Verified accounts have a green tick next to the username on the user's profile. As a further step of the KYC process, new investors will be requested to fill out a questionnaire in order to better ascertain how eToro may custom tailor a service package ideally suited to each investor's individual profile. Examples of information that would be requested include queries regarding the new investor's professional status, level of knowledge of the capital markets, financial liquidity, acceptable levels of risk, investment goals, etc. The answers of this questionnaire can be found online, however, eToro prohibits using these for security reasons. Disclaimer: 81% of retail investor accounts lose money when trading CFDs with this provider. You should consider whether you can afford to take the high risk of losing your money. If you found this article useful, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. You can also visit our website, where you find great educational contents about cryptocurrency. As a member of our Cryptocurrency Academy, you'll have access to exclusive resources and tools to help you stay informed and make better trading decisions. Additionally, discover and join our Discord. Our Discord server will provide a supportive network of like-minded individuals who can provide guidance, advice, and encouragement.